Retirement is one of the most important decisions you'll make in your life. It's not just about age, it's about readiness, both financially and emotionally. In this video, we'll explore the key factors to consider when deciding the right time to retire. The first factor is financial stability. Before retiring, make sure you built a strong financial foundation. This includes having a reliable source of income, such as pensions, Social Security, or investments, that can cover your living expenses throughout retirement. Experts suggest having 25 times your annual expenses saved if you plan to rely on your investments. The second factor is debt. Retiring while carrying significant debt can strain your finances. Focus on paying off high-interest debts like credit cards or loans before considering retirement. The less you owe, the more freedom you'll have with your retirement income. The third factor is healthcare. Medical costs often increase with age, and you'll need to account for those expenses in your retirement plan. Make sure you have adequate health insurance or Medicare coverage, and set aside funds for unexpected medical bills. Another consideration is your lifestyle. What kind of life do you want to live in retirement? Do you want to travel, move closer to family, or pursue hobbies? Calculate the costs of your desired lifestyle and ensure your savings can support it. Next, think about your emotional readiness. Retirement isn't just a financial decision, it's a lifestyle change. Are you ready to leave the structure of work behind? Do you have hobbies, social connections, or activities that will keep you engaged and fulfilled? Age also plays a role, but it's not the only determining factor. While some retire in their 50s, others work into their 70s because they enjoy what they do or need more time to save. Social Security benefits also vary depending on when you claim them. Waiting until full retirement age or even beyond can increase your monthly benefits. Lastly, evaluate your current job situation. If work is taking a toll on your health or happiness, it might be time to retire sooner. On the other hand, if you enjoy your job and it provides financial and personal fulfillment, there's no harm in working longer. The decision to retire is deeply personal and depends on your unique circumstances. Take time to evaluate your finances, health, lifestyle goals, and emotional readiness. Remember, retirement isn't about a specific age. It's about being prepared for the next phase of your life. If this video helped clarify your thoughts on retirement, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your journey to retirement starts with informed decisions.